Hi, it's Hannah with WTI. Do you love the beach? I do. But when you're at the beach, you need beach towels. And if you have a family like we do, 5 beach towels takes up a ton of space, especially if you're flying somewhere. That takes up an entire suitcase in itself. But my husband and I just went on a cruise and we had to give up hardly any space in our suitcase for our beach towels thanks to Bay Laurel. This is our beach towel. It comes in this amazing carrying case. So I was able to tie it to my bag on the outside, and I didn't have to worry about my beach towel even taking up space in my little bag that we took to the beach. If you just were going to the beach and you just had like your wallet, your phone, and your keys, you could totally use this bag to carry those as well. Even with your towel in there, there's plenty of space to store extra stuff. And there's this really nice drawstring so that you know everything is in there really securely and you're not going to lose anything. These are Turkish cotton, and so they definitely feel different than most beach towels. They're very thin, which you might think, that's not going to work. But this thing is super absorbent. And because it's thin, it dries really quickly as well. I really like the boho look of these with the little tassels on the ends. So if you love the beach, but you need some better beach towels, these are really awesome. You will not regret it. Very high quality. And that is our point of view.